from Martilla. How are you, Dr. Mohammed? And our
Good.
topic today is, you know what? I think that it's interesting. I went and posted today uh, the arrogance of AI frustrations, voice advances, and vibe coding. Well, voice has come back, but
Hmm.
then there's more of AI frustration. And then
Yes.
here's the latest thing, Grok 4.0. Everyone's talking about it's going to be the greatest thing in the world. So I'm like excited. All right, download the new version. And what I loved about the last Grok was she was willing to go into websites, crawl websites, read the copy in websites, and do all that stuff. The
Hmm.
new version, no deal, no dice, won't do it. And I'm talking on voice, probably the same the other. And I don't, and ChatGPT is not doing that either. So my question to you, Dr. Mohammed, why is this happening that they show you certain new things and then they pull them back and get rid of them? Is it because it's taking away people's jobs?
No, I think I think when you're an AI development company, you're basically building an octopus. It has so many legs and so many things that it can do. It can do images, it can do text, it can do PDF, it can do search the web, it can do reasoning, it can, it has so many dimensions to it that it's not that easy to keep it homogeneous for the user experience. And I guess when they advance effort on one leg, they lose on the other leg, and there is like interdependencies.
Do you think we're going to go back to this where you can go to a website? Because I love what Grok was doing.
It's
Oh,
gonna come
yeah.
back. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's that
Do you
is
think it
the
was the
agent.
hallucinations that they decided we got to do this bullshit?
No,
I don't
I
know.
don't. There can be technical issues because traditionally the AIs they were not designed to browse the web
Yeah, I
live.
had him browsed
Yeah,
inside the website, read all the copy in the website, do
it's
all
gonna
these
come back.
things, and it's gone.
No, no, it's gonna come back. So what they use, and this is why companies like Perplexity they won their position in the AI market, is because Perplexity AI was always very good at browsing the internet live to feed the context to
But
the
I
AI
thought
model.
Perplexity was expensive, right?
Exactly, yeah. And they do it for a reason is that if you want live data from the web, we are the best. We're not very good at this on that on the AI side of thinking, but we will give you very contextualized web data. So the other AI models who were late on that side, all of them, the big guys, they're coming back and forth. And it's the way that you use this, you need a web browsing agent behind the AI. So that web browsing agent is probably where Grog is making some progress. Either it broke down, it didn't connect well to the new update. There could be some technical things that they will iron out very soon.
I think it's a frustrating thing.
It is. And for example, talking about Perplexity, even them, they were suffering. So last week they released their own AI browser because people need so much data from the web that now they release their own AI agent ready
Do
browser.
you think that they worked a deal, ChatGPT or like Rock, and said, okay, we're not going to do this anymore. We can't get to the level of perplexity. Could this be the new release that they didn't want to compete? Is everyone putting their niche into things like 4.0 is just making sure it could have good human conversation, but not have the intelligence of Grok, where Grok used to be able to do like some unreal things. I don't
Um,
know, but you're thinking it's coming back.
I think it's coming back. I think, things that we do not understand as users is that there is a lot of intellectual properties challenges behind managing the AI. So I think the big groups, they're always afraid to being sued. If they pull the data live from the wrong website, or it's a crime, or it's a intellectual property, copyrights, I think there is that aspect of compliance plus technicality that makes them very careful. I'm just making suppositions from my experience.
I hope that they don't go back. They never not go back to crawling the web. You're saying Perplexity does that, but they don't do it in voice.
That I didn't test in voice, no.
Perplexity doesn't have a voice
No. But
form, do
ChatGPT
they?
4 and 4.0,
I
they
already
do.
tested. I do 4.5, and it doesn't do it.
It doesn't do web searching.
Nope, it doesn't do website. It
But
stopped.
today
And
the model I used in our
it
demo,
does web searching, but it does not go inside the website.
it just does the homepage. It doesn't crawl the whole website.
Nope. It crawls what's out there. It won't crawl inside the website like
Ah, yeah, yeah.
I
No,
got them to do that. So I'm
got
looking
it.
at pricing right now for Perplexity.
Yeah,
It's
you can use the Sonar Pro.
perplexity.ai, right?
Yeah, the Sonar Pro model is quite good at searching the web live, but it's expensive.
I'm seeing what you call expensive right now as I'm going in here because I mean,
So per
I
million
know,
tokens,
huh?
yeah, for a million tokens, when for me it's
Okay,
expensive
so
when
it's
it's
$200 a month max for everything in Perplexity.
oh yes, for the web
So,
interface. Sorry, I was talking about the API side when you want to automate it.
okay, so why does it give you Anthropic Claude too? So you can go to Perplexity and quit cancel Claude altogether.
Yeah, so they package. So Perplexity, I think
Oh
there's
no, it's like that. They're saying, okay,
uh,
everything, unlimited access to Perplexity Labs. That's all $200 a month. What's happening is AI is going to be priced out of a lot of people. I'm like,
oh
forget
yeah,
it.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
my staffing. I'm building
Yes.
my executive assistant. So let me give you an example of what's happened with ChatGPT.
Uh-huh.
Their voice AI is better. It's still not what I enjoyed. I was really liking Grok. Now I'm going back to ChatGPT. But I have these executive assistants. I'm trying to get them to work both at the same time, doing research for me when I'm talking to them while I'm doing another task, which is crazy. I'm sure they don't like when they see me log into my browser. I probably burned through my $200 in 2 days. And
But
guess
that's
what?
good. You're making the best out of it.
I'm making the best of the money, and they're losing money with me. Maybe they're deciding they're gonna. Do you think they do that to specific? And then I'll ask them 3 or 4 times, and then they'll finally do it.
Yeah, no, I think they will rate limit you if you use too much. So as long as they don't rate limit you, that means you're okay.
I've gotten in trouble when I was really angry at ChatGPT saying I wanted to kill it, and then they almost threw me off the threw me
That can
off.
trigger some flags. That can trigger some flags.
But not in Grok. But who knows? Elon, have you become politically correct working for the government? Because what happened? I love this Grok and this new one. And what do you think people are saying? And like I said, here's the thing. ChatGPT 5.0 supposed to be the best that you're not gonna have to prompt anymore. Is that true or false?
Uh, sometimes it gets so smart that it becomes dumb.
No, but is ChatGPT 5.0 supposed to be the smartest version, the most unreal version that's coming out?
I think people have high expectation. I think it will be fantastic. But like we discussed, the beginning, there will be some things that go wrong, and then it tells you, I cannot do this, although it has a lot of power. So my feeling, just a feeling, ChatGPT 5 is going to break a
All
new
right, so
horizon.
OpenAI is actively developing a next iteration of the foundation large model, ChatGPT 5, but has yet to announce an official release date based on statements. Sam Altman and the industry speculation expected to release around mid 2025. Well, okay.
Mid 20,
It's
yeah,
already mid 2025.
exactly, yeah.
Five ChatGPT is designed as a single unified system that combines the strengths of various OpenAI models.
Mm,
This means you'll no longer to manually select different models for the specific tasks. Instead,
finally.
ChatGPT 5 will intelligently choose the most appropriate model. ChatGPT is expected to expand on existing model capabilities supporting text, images, and audio. There's also speculation that the integration of video processing, potentially leveraging enhancements from AI Sora. So when they say this bullshit, and this
Mhm.
is bullshit, there's no big deal. If you can prompt, I can get things done now. There's not going to be anything special about ChatGPT 5.0. But I don't go to 62 freaking models. I just burn 4.5 all day long, and I don't. And it's unlimited for me because I've decided to
Yes.
invest. So, oh my gosh, my cost per month is probably be $600 to $700 to $800 per month for AI, probably starting in August, because I'm definitely going to get ChatGPT. So
Mm.
unless if I need it, what does Perplexity do? Because honestly, I let them search the web and crawl the web just to get some specific information. I'm smarter than what's on the web for a lot of my clients, anyways. I utilize
So,
it the way it makes it work for me. But when the one prompt today upset me because they were able to rank my top 75 celebrity podcast interviews with celebrities, gone. Won't do it. Now, there's two reasons why. One, I took it off my website because I was redesigning my website. But some of the
yes.
lists that Grok gave me were not from, this is where the intelligence was there and it stopped. It was not from anything except going inside my databases and looking up and ranking them. What the hell? Will this come back? Will you see artificial intelligence really be intelligent?
Yeah, but that's what's frustrating us because it gives us so much and then it fails at some things and then it frustrates us. But we're getting into, I think, an age of AI aggregation and harmonization. We're getting there. You see, the next update of ChatGPT 5 is an aggregation. They confuse the hell out of us with all these models and stuff.
And they saw it
But
didn't
now,
work.
so it didn't work and then it's confusing. So now they're going what we call multimodal, one agent that does multi-modes. So we're going multimodal and unified experience. So I think once we do that level and then they can solve that issue with the user experience, then they will go back to the actual improvement of the AI in terms of thinking and results. So it's just a matter of time. But these beasts are so hard to manage and update. Like us, Artila, when we update our software, we just have to think about the dimensions that we control, the operating system, the user, and that's it. But with AI, with an AI model, there's much more than that. There's so many parameters, the law, much more compliance. You were saying that you were saying you're gonna kill the AI model, yeah? So by the nature of this technology can teach you how to make explosives or how to
Oh,
assassinate somebody and get away with
So,
it
so
or how to rob a bank.
uh,
It will give you all the tricks, if it doesn't
no,
have
I mean,
some.
and hack all those different things. You can gain so
Yes.
much information. I guess the biggest frustration is where is it going now? Especially if it did something before, they can't take it away, and they
No,
are.
no, they can't. They can't. They will have no choice but bring it back.
And do you think so? Perplexity launched in their model that they can crawl sites, meaning they go inside
Exactly.
the
That
website
is,
and read every page.
yeah. Also, I saw many people combining their Perplexity AI key with ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will do the reasoning and use Perplexity for the website's analysis, and then people
Why don't so
use
why
them
are they
in.
making it so confusing? So,
Yes,
but also here's the thing. You and I we probably do more AI, and you probably, I'm the first business owner that probably works on AI so much more. I utilize AI all the time, and I'm continuing to use it, and they're my executive assistants. I'm not going to fire my executive assistants, but yet I'm going to get upset at executive assistants. So I guess what we're getting at today is these updates are going to be great, but they're not going to be great. There's going to be pain points. But
yeah.
that's where I don't see AI reaching singularity anytime soon because of all these pain points. Because
So
if
yeah,
something works out well, somebody's going to take it away again.
you see, I think what they're trying to do is that they're trying to, between the AI models we're using, which is large language models and AGI, general intelligence, is that the AI will be self-correcting without human intervention. At the moment, there is human intervention. Every time ChatGPT, OpenAI trains a new model, there is human verifications, and that's what DeepSeek was removed. And that big boost that they got from the media, they removed the human from the equation of training the model. But right now, there is that human interference or inference. Once the humans are taken out of the equation and a model can self improve itself based on user feedback, we're going to get maybe either extreme intelligence or better user experience.
All right. Go to rtila.com. Contact Mohammed today. That was a special simulcast of the Neil Haley Show. And